So I'm discuss very important topic. So I'm purchase my domain will be ABC website. I can purchase hosting will be XYZ website. How to connect that both into one connection? That is called the option will be called name server. Names are nothing but we can connect with your hosting to website. So after purchasing your hosting using milesweb.com, I'm purchased by domain will be godaddy.com. You can purchase anywhere your domain or hosting. The connectivity is called name servers. That is called based on the purchase, they're providing for 1 to 4 name servers. 1 to 4 name servers. Some hosting provide only for 1 name server or 2 or 3 or 4. Maximum 2 or maximum 4. After connecting this one, any domain we can select. The option call is DNS, dedicated name server. Select the DNS. First of all, they are already created by the default option. So we can select option call is custom. So first they give the default option. When click for custom, add your total name servers based on your option. See this. You can add your IP address or names. Anyone eligible by your name servers. So I'm total adding for total 4 name servers. But default one is given only for 2 name servers. So if you increase any name servers, select it. You can add n number of name servers by your domain for connecting your hosting purpose. When connecting your name servers, if anybody open your site, so automatically your site will be open. Without connect DNS, the website can't connect your servers. They can't show your website. If I'm remove the DNS option, my website will be showing for is a website out of station. Nothing but file not found is not showing your file error, page not found error. So that is called any server will connect to by your domain. The option call is name server. The name is called DNS, dedicated name servers. So what are the not required? Just close it. This one. Now click for save. Any connection of the name server, it will activate 1 hour to 24 hours time. Any domain to any hosting to domain connection, it will take 1 hour to 24 hours time to activate your website. After this activation of name server, will start your treat your website, upload the content.